Man, that did hurt. I landed on my knee. My knee pad's not all the way up, which kind of sucks. Otherwise, that would help me out. And then arms. That was kind of pathetic, though. I shouldn't have crashed there. Knew that KTM guy was behind me. I was trying to race him a little bit, but I guess I kind of screwed up on that turn. Probably slid too much with the brakes, but alright, well, considering Milestone closes pretty soon, I think that's a good way to end today. And I'm pretty tired, so not bad, that being my only wipe out of the day. I always kind of forget how much crashes actually do hurt. But alright. Oh man, I didn't really motovlog much, but you know, I was just trying to focus on getting new laps, and this is a new track layout. Never been on this track before. Whew. I think what happened is I slid into the turn, and I think I'm in third gear right now. Yeah, I was in third gear. My bike bogged out, and I just and then it unbogged, I guess you could say, and I lost traction and slid out, so. Oh well. It's part of motocross.